Sari was the best weaver in her village. For weeks, she worked on a beautiful cloth for the king. It was perfect. But then, a fly got stuck in it, right in the middle. It was an ugly black spot on the beautiful red and gold. Her heart sank. The king's man was coming tomorrow. There was no time to fix it. She felt desperate. Then she remembered her neighbor's old box. Her old neighbor had been a famous weaver too. She once told Sari, "Inside this box is a special thread. It can fix any mistake, but it has a cost. For every bit you use, it will steal a little bit of truth from your life. Be careful." Sari had thought it was just a silly story, but now she was desperate. She opened the box. Inside was a strange, shiny thread that seemed to glow. She thought, "What's a little truth? I don't even know what that means. I need to fix this." So she used the magic thread. She wove it over the fly. The spot vanished. It worked. She even used the magic thread to finish the cloth faster. It was done by morning. The king's man loved it. He paid her a lot of money. Sari was happy. She had cheated, but she had won. The next day, her little brother asked, "Sister, how did you finish so fast?" Sari meant to tell him the truth about the magic thread, but instead, she heard herself say, "I just worked very hard." The lie came out easily. She didn't even feel bad. That was the first price. She started using the magic thread for all her work. She finished quickly and got more money. But she also started lying more. She lied to her friends. She lied to customers. She lied to her family. It became easy. The more she used the magic thread, the easier the lies became. She was becoming a different person. A few days later, she went to the market. A merchant accidentally gave her too much change. The old Sari would have politely given the extra coin back. The new Sari, her heart a little colder, quickly pocketed the money and walked away. She told herself she deserved it. Finally, the king had a big party. He hung Sari's beautiful cloth for everyone to see. Sari was famous. But when the sun shone directly on the cloth, something terrible happened. The magic thread, which was made of lies, could not stand the true, honest light of the sun. It started to unravel. The shiny magic thread dissolved into nothing, and as it vanished, it took the real threads around it with it. Big holes appeared in the cloth. The beautiful colors fell apart, and there, in the center, for everyone to see, was the dead fly. The crowd gasped. They pointed. They whispered, "Cheat! Liar!" The king was furious. But Sari didn't look at the king. She looked at the people in the village, her brother, her friends, her customers. She saw their faces change from respect to anger and hurt. She felt every lie she had ever told come undone at that moment. She felt naked and ashamed. She didn't just lose her cloth that day. She lost her good name. She lost the trust of everyone who loved her. She had wanted to be a famous weaver, but instead, she became known as the woman who could not be trusted, the woman who cheated. That was the real cost of the magic thread. It didn't just fix her cloth, it unraveled her life. Let's learn new vocabularies from the story. Weaver. A person who makes cloth by weaving threads. Desperate. Feeling hopeless and ready to do anything. Vanish. To disappear suddenly. merchant, a person who buys and sells goods. Unravel, to come apart or undo. Furious, extremely angry. Respect, a feeling of admiration or honor for someone. Trust, belief that someone is honest and reliable. Shame, a painful feeling of guilt or embarrassment. Cost, the price you pay for something, not always money. Every lie has a cost. Dishonesty always brings trouble. A shortcut can seem like a good idea, but it often leads to a long road of trouble. Have you ever been tempted to take a shortcut that cost you more than you expected? Share your story in the comments. If you believe that honesty is always the best path, please like and subscribe for more tales about life's important lessons. Thanks for listening.